It is letter sound R. R. The action for this letter sound is, please pretend that a dentist is checking your teeth and then open your mouth and say ah, ah. I will give you one example of a word that has letter sound R. Do you know what picture this is? It's a star. Star. The word star has letter sound R. There are two assignments that you need to do at home. First, please find this page. Practice how to write letter sound R. Next, please find a worksheet where you can see some lines on it. Follow my instructions and then write each letter sounds on the line. See? Check the video out. Hi students, on this page you are going to practice to write letter sound R. R. The action for letter sound R is open your mouth, pretend that the dentist is checking your teeth and say ah, ah. Very good. Now, please trace these letter sounds here. And then trace again the letter sound that we have learned before. This is ow, oi, you, Next, let's read the word here. Scarf, scarf. Shark, shark. Bath, bath. Next, look at the activity here. 3 of these pictures have an R sound in them. Cross out the one that does not. Let's start from this picture. It is a star. R, star. Does star have letter sound R? Yes. Look at the arrow. It is pointing to the arm. Arm. Does arm have letter sound R? Arm. Yes. This is a goat. A goat. Does goat have letter sound R? Goat. No. Let's give a cross to the goat. Last one. It is a car. Car. Does car have letter sound R? Yes. Students, today we are going to write 5 words that have letter sound R. R. This is letter sound R. Can you say R? Very good. Let's start from number 1. It has 2 lines. Let's start with R. R. Let's read the word arm. 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 I have 2 arms. Number 2. 2 lines. Start with R. R. T. T. Let's read the word art. 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 Number 3. Short, long, short. Start with k, k for cat. R. D, d. K, ard. K, ard. Card. Card. Number 4. Short, short, long, short. Start with S. R. R. T, t. Smart. 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 He is very smart. Number 5. Short, long, short, long. Start with R. R. Farmer. 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 He is a farmer. That is the end. So, how are the words that have letter sound R? Can you read all of them? I'm pretty sure you can. That was from me for today. I will see you again in the next new letter sound. Bye!